हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें प्लस टू क्लास में ये चैप्टर आपका इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन दिस इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन, ऑन दिस चैप्टर 6 today we have to do increasing decreasing function. Okay, continuity this on chapter number 6. This is the chapter number 6. This is the next lecture. We have done lecture 4. This is the now fifth lecture. This is fifth lecture on this chapter. Okay, and today we have to do in this lecture fifth, 4 lecture has been done. In that exercise 6.1 done, rate of change of quantity. Now next concept is there, increasing and decreasing functions. About the increasing and decreasing function you should know in both the way. Interpretation of a increasing or decreasing function by the graph. Graphically interpretation. If any function fx is a real function, ठीक है बेटा? For the real function fx, if see here red colored graph. First point, this red color graph is showing increasing function, okay, and black color like this is black color graph. Second graph, this is the decreasing function graph. So means here clear that algebraically if you want that what is the red color increasing function, see that if point A on the graph x1 y1, so here you check. After that other point B on this graph x2 y2, coordinate of point B, so here you see x1 is less than x2. So if x1 is less than, if x1 is less than x2, okay, see here x1 less than x2, clear, x1 x2 this, then this implies y1 this and y2 this. Y1 is also less than y2, okay beta, this you see y2 point B. So this if imply this means f of y1 is called f of x1, okay, function value, okay, less than f of x2. y2 means f of x2. If this, okay, we can write here this y1 means f of x1, you see in the graph, is also less than f of x2, okay, f of x2 means y2, clear that? So then it is increasing function. Now you see black colored graph. If you draw the graph of a real function fx, then graph if like this, as black color I have shown in the figure, this is black color graph is decreasing function graph. So in this graph number second, this second for decreasing function, it is decreasing function graph. So for decreasing function, you know that you must be remember that x1 and x2, these 2 points are there on the curve, on the curve of the graph P and Q. If P is x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2, then you see from point P to Q, if this x1 is less than x2, if x1, you see here x1 is less than x2, okay, x1 is less than x2, okay, and but here y1, x1, y1, point P, so y1 is greater, but this implies y1 is greater than y2. See in the graph, P, Q point are there. P is x1, y1, Q is x2, y2. So x1 here greater than x1 is less than x2 here. x1 छोटा है x2 से, but here you see y1 is greater than y2. See in the graph, so means this implies y1 means function value at x1, okay beta, y1, and this is greater than, by the graph you see, greater than f of x2. f x2 means this is y2, okay. So this you should remember if x1 less than x2 or x1 greater than x2, then same y1 greater than y2. If one x1 less than x2, then y1 less than y2. If x1 greater than x2, then y1 greater than y2. Okay, same, yani same. If x is increasing, then y also increasing. Okay, ठीक है. If x is greater मीन्स इंक्रीज हो रहा है x2, x1 से x2 इंक्रीज हो रहा है, तो y1 से y2 भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है, ओके, दोनों लेस देन x1 एंड y1. तो इन द सेम वे इफ x इज इंक्रीजिंग y आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग, और इफ x इज डिक्रीजिंग y आल्सो डिक्रीजिंग, देन दैट फंक्शन ग्राफ इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. इफ वन इज इंक्रीजिंग अदर इज डिक्रीजिंग, दैट इज डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. If in the x and the y, if x value increasing, then y will decreasing along that, yani function value decreasing, then it is decreasing function. If one is increasing, other is decreasing. एक बढ़ता है x और y में और एक घटता है, ठीक है. जैसे ही x में बढ़ाते हैं हम कुछ तो y घट जाता है, तो डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. अगर हम x में बढ़ा रहे हैं और y भी बढ़ रहा है, तो then that is इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. ठीक है बेटा, दोनों बढ़ रहे हैं या दोनों घट रहे हैं x एंड y में, तो इंक्रीजिंग. इफ वन बढ़ता है तो दूसरा घट जाता है, तो दैट फंक्शन ग्राफ इज डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. ठीक है बेटा. नाउ इट इज स्ट्रिक्टली वर्ड आल्सो इज देयर, बिकॉज हेयर इफ इक्वल वी आर पुटिंग, देन इट विल बी इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग, अदरवाइज स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग. यू विल रिमेंबर दैट स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग means these are strictly, if like this, strictly. If here equal, then greater and equal, less and equal, both function value may be equal, okay, then it is increasing and decreasing. If not equal here, only greater than, less than, then strictly increasing, strictly decreasing, okay, in these value. So you remember these two things, clear that algebraically. Now one method is first derivative method. Okay, what is the other method? Derivative method. In the derivative chapter we are here, so this is the algebraically representation I told you, and graphically, so algebraically and graphically, okay, for the understanding in the starting, but for every function without graph how can do? First principle of derivative. What is first principle of derivative? First means one time. First principle of derivative. First principle of डेरिवेटिव. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल ऑफ डेरिवेटिव मीन्स dy बाई dx फॉर द फंक्शन fx. ओके, मीन्स व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? dy बाई dx derivative of the function fx, and it means f dash means derivative f dash x. This means f dash x. If the real function, for a real function, first derivative is greater than and equal 0. For if, ठीक है ना बेटा, इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल 0 फॉर एनी इंटरवल, फॉर x belongs to interval. Any interval means that between two points a comma b, x1 value is a, x2 value is b. If between this interval, between 2 points where coordinate x coordinate a and b, between that interval, that means we can say this is I interval. Okay, for every real number, okay, between these interval a comma b, open interval I taken, yani between a and b, or we can take closed interval at a and at b also. ठीक है बेटा? Then if this between this for every x this it is greater than equal 0, then this implies if first principle derivative, if this condition, ठीक है बेटा, if this derivative greater than equal to 0, then this implies function fx, then function fx is called okay beta, is called increasing function. This first derivative method निकाल दिया, you remember that increasing function, increasing function on interval a comma b. ओके बेटा, for any real number function, real function fx, if x1 and x2 like that, okay, any x belongs to in this interval a comma b, and it is all real number between a and b, if x is there and function derivative on this every point between that, for every, if this is positive and equal to 0, then it is called increasing function. If only greater, if derivative only greater than 0, if derivative value is greater than 0, then strictly increasing. Okay, greater than 0 for every x, belongs to this interval a comma b. Okay beta, if this only greater than, then this implies fx is strictly, this implies function fx is strictly, okay beta, strictly TELLY, strictly increasing. Remember this is the first derivative test. What is this? This is first derivative test. Okay? First derivative test. If this first part, if second part, if derivative yani f dash x, if f dash x means dy by dx, okay beta, if dy by dx is less than and equal to 0, if negative and equal to 0, derivative value for every किस पर, for every x belongs to interval a comma b. Okay beta, for any interval in its domain, if derivative is less than equal to 0, negative and equal to 0, then this implies that function is decreasing function. ठीक है बेटा, decreasing. That function is decreasing function. Done. तो strictly and only increasing, अब decreasing and strictly decreasing, और f dash x यानी डेरिवेटिव क्या हो, ये लेस देन ओनली 0, only less than 0 for every x belongs to a comma b interval, every real number between 2 points where x coordinate a and b. So for every x belongs to this, if it is derivative is less than 0, then this implies function fx is strictly strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing function. So these are the important points to say any function is increasing or strictly increasing, decreasing or strictly decreasing. These are the 2 points you have to remember. Okay, and by the graph it is clear that if both are increasing x and y, then it is increasing function, or both decreasing x and y, then also increasing function. But if any one is increasing, other is decreasing in x and y, then function is called decreasing function. Okay, and strictly you remember, strictly only greater, decreasing, strictly decreasing, only less than. Okay, only increasing, equal also, greater than and equal. Okay, and decreasing, then less than and equal 0, derivative, equal also. Clear? So remember like this, be careful about this. Now we have to do the questions. Okay, now you remember these first derivative test also. Okay, and simple also you must remember about the increasing or decreasing. if x के बढ़ने पर y भी बढ़ जाता है तो इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है. इफ x के बढ़ने पर y घट जाता है, फंक्शन की वैल्यू घट जाती है, तो वो डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है. सिंपल वे यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. ओके बेटा. नाउ फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम NCERT बुक, exercise 6.2 question 1. Okay, what is question 1? You see in book, it is show that the function given by fx is equal to 3x plus 17. Okay, how you will do, how will you prove that this function is increasing on real number r? Okay, so how can do question 1? क्वेश्चन 1 देखो, fx यहाँ क्या है बेटा क्वेश्चन 1 में, what is function fx? fx is given 3x plus 17. 3x plus 17. If in general way you want to do, ठीक है बेटा. Okay, by algebraical method, in the basic method without derivative, if you want to do, we can do, or if you want to do with a derivative, you can do, because you are not saying prove that the function by the basic rule, algebraical method, graphical method, or first derivative test. Not saying, so you can apply anyone. So now I am telling from the both. Let us suppose, let x1 is less than x2. ओके, लेट दिस. ठीक है, तो यहाँ क्या बनाया हमने, x1 पुट किया, fx1 फाइंड किया, fx1 फाइंड किया हमने. fx1 क्या बन गया, fx1? fx1 इज 3x1 प्लस 17. दिस इज fx1. ओके, fx2 फाइंड किया, fx2 इज इक्वल टू बेटा, पुट हेयर x2 इन द फंक्शन, x के प्लेस पर 3x2 प्लस 17. तो यू चेक फ्रॉम दीज इम्प्लाई दैट. अब यहाँ से देखिए आप इसका प्रूफ. ठीक है बेटा, प्रूफ देखो, आप ये कहो x1 लेस देन x2, ये लेट किया हमने, लेट. ठीक है, तो इसमें क्या करो आप, ये बना लो क्या, 3x1 प्लस 17. हमें क्या डेवलप करना है यहाँ पर, 3x1 प्लस 17. तो इट मीन्स यहाँ पहले 3 से दोनों साइड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो छोटे नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x1 में 3 से, और बड़े नंबर में भी, तो रिलेशन सेम रहेगा. ठीक है बेटा, वी नो दिस विल कम. आफ्टर दैट if you want to make here plus 17, because here plus 17 is there, तो add 17 both side, adding 17 both side, तो 3x1 plus 17, छोटे नंबर में 17 ऐड किया, फिर बड़े नंबर में तो वही बड़ा नंबर बड़ा ही रहेगा. ओके, 3x2 plus 17, both side add 17. Done. We know that simple rule. After that, this is 3x1 plus 17 is fx1. What is this? This is fx1. Okay, this is fx1. And what is 3x2 plus 17? ये क्या है बेटा? ये fx2 है. ये फंक्शन की वैल्यू एट x वैल्यू इज x2. ठीक है, अब fx1 क्या है? y1. फंक्शन में कोई x1 भरा तो y1 हो गया. ठीक है बेटा, दिस इज y1 लेस देन y2. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? प्रूव हो गया. जो हमारी डेफिनीशन है वो प्रूव होगी कि x1 लेस देन x2 implies that y1 also less than y2. So we can say for every x belongs to real number. ठीक है बेटा, ये ध्यान देंगे. क्लियर पोजीशन हो गई. हैंस क्या हो गया बेटे? प्रूव हो गया डेफिनीशन से. हैंस एफ एक्स या जो फंक्शन एफ एक्स है वो कैसा है? इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है. ओके, और यही हमें प्रूव करना था कि प्रूव दैट इट इज़ इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ऑन आर. तो इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन एफ एक्स इज इंक्रीजिंग fx is increasing function on किस पर? on r, on real number r. ठीक है, सो डन. हैंस प्रूव्ड. तो एक मेथड तो ये हो गया, हैंस प्रूव्ड. एक मेथड तो ये हो गया. दूसरा मेथड डेरिवेटिव मेथड, अल्टरनेट मेथड. डेरिवेटिव आल्सो यू कैन डू. इफ फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव करते हो आप, ठीक है बेटा, एफ डैश एक्स किया आपने, और ये एफ डैश एक्स आपका क्या बन गया? 3x का डेरिवेटिव 3 और प्लस 0, 17 का डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. तो ये बन गया आपका 3. और 3 कैसा है? इट इज़ ग्रेटर दैन 0. इट इज़ ग्रेटर दैन 0 फॉर एवरी, यहाँ x बचा ही नहीं, तो फॉर एवरी x बिलोंग्स टू r. x की वैल्यू इसमें r भरेंगे तो ये ग्रेटर दैन 0 ही है. ओके, दिस इम्प्लाइज. तो हैंस प्रूव हो गया फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव मेथड से. ठीक है बेटा, हैंस एफ एक्स इज, क्यों बेटा? ये ग्रेटर देन 0 है नहीं, तो एफ एक्स इज इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. क्लियर? ये डेरिवेटिव मेथड से एक लाइन में हो गया. इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन ऑन रियल नंबर आर, सभी रियल नंबर पर. क्योंकि यहाँ x कुछ बचा ही नहीं इसमें, ये कांस्टेंट आ गया. डेरिवेटिव निकालने के बाद कांस्टेंट फंक्शन बन गया. तो इसमें कुछ भी r पुट करेंगे ये 3 ही रहेगा, देन डन, हैंस इट इज greater than 0, so increasing function. Any method you can apply, anyone. I told you both. So now I will do first derivative method. ठीक है बेटा, derivative test, first derivative test I will do by this. If any question you want to do by the basic, you can do, no problem that. Question number 2. Show that the function given by fx is equal to e power 2x. fx is equal to e power 2x. Question number 2. ठीक है बेटा, this question 2. So now derivative method we can apply, proof, so that, okay, so taking derivative both side f dash x, derivative with respect to x, f dash x is equal to, is called dy by dx. ठीक है, f dash x means I told in the chapter 5 derivative, I told कि this is called this and this with respect to x, e power 2x derivative, e power x का derivative e power x as it is and multiply by the derivative of 2x. तो derivative of 2x is 2, तो 2 into e power 2x. ओके बेटा, क्लियर? ओके, on derivative we have to find and then we have to check this is increasing on r. तो ये अब आप इसको देखें कि इसकी वैल्यू कैसी होगी, x की वैल्यू रियल नंबर, तो ये ग्रेटर देन पॉजिटिव है, e पावर 2x इज पॉजिटिव फॉर एवरी x, x में भी नेगेटिव, if x negative real number then 1 upon e power 2x positive, and e we know e is the constant and approximately value of e, what is that? E is approximately is equal to 2.7 समथिंग, तो पॉजिटिव, तो देन इसकी पावर आपको नेगेटिव हो जाएगी, तो डिवाइड में आ जाएगा पॉजिटिव, तो 1 अपॉन 2.7 अप्रोक्सीमेटली पावर पॉजिटिव, देन इट इज बिटवीन 0 and 1. ओके, तो इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0. सो दिस विल बी, वी नो कि दिस इम्प्लाइज 2e power 2x is greater than, and 0 किस पर बनेगा, 0 किसी पर नहीं बनेगा, e पावर 0 भी 1 होता है, इफ x वैल्यू 0 है तो ये 1 आ जाएगा, और नेगेटिव है तो बिटवीन 0 and 1 आ जाएगी इसकी वैल्यू, तो देन वी कैन से इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0, पॉजिटिव होगी, डन. ओके, फॉर एवरी डायरेक्ट वी नो फॉर एवरी x belongs to real number, we know this, no need to put any real number and so. Okay, greater than 0 for every, ये लिखना है, hence direct, hence function fx, hence fx is increasing function, done. fx is increasing function, fx is increasing function, okay, increasing function on are real number. Done. Okay beta, this is clear now. Okay. Okay beta, this is proved increasing function. So you may do by other method also. Okay, now it is clear that easy to like, share and subscribe the channel and send the videos to the contact other contacts, many contacts, and they guide to them that they must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the other contact and send the feedback in the comment box. Thank you.